Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
Wow, look at that. Thick, creamy, and beautifully caramelized. Now, what's that? That's Sheer Khorma or Seviyan Kheer. Energy, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, and protein loaded. But before I tell you the recipe, Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Nama. Break away our false and misleading assumptions and presumptions, and bless us with keen curiosity, sharp sight and clear hearing, far-sighted vision, true knowledge and deep wisdom. And now for the recipe. Assorted dry fruits, 75 grams or so, sparingly heated full tone milk, 120 mils or half a cup, and add, cover and set aside till to be used. Now, pre-roasted seviya or semolina, fry pan, desi ghee, 10 mils, not more than that. And when it is hot, add the semia or semolina and stir continuously till it becomes golden brown in color. Fragrance begins to fill the air and crisp, and by now desi ghee fragrance also fills the air. It's done. Remove, and now to caramelize crystal sugar. Ideally a fry pan is used, but I am using a kadai. Add crystal sugar, spread it and leave it. Do not touch it. Let the magic happen. There, the magic has started. Crystal sugar begins to caramelize, and there it is, beautifully done. Now add full tone or full fat milk. Stir just a little, and don't worry about the sugar. It will melt in due course of time. Add roasted seviya or semolina and stir continuously. By this time, the sugar has already melted. Stir continuously, that is the secret. Now, allow it to come to a boil. By now, the milk has also reduced. And scrape the sides of the kadai, because mawa or khoya forming must be mixed with the milk. By now, the semia or seviya has softened. Now, this is an optional step. You can add cinnamon powder. That is 2 tight pinches or 2 grams only, not more than that. And stir again. Stir continuously. Cinnamon gives a beautiful flavor and fragrance, and a twist to our Sheer Khorma or Seviyan Kheer. Allow it to boil. Now add the dry fruits and stir well again. Stir well. Allow the milk to reduce. Allow it to boil. Allow it to reduce. Allow it to thicken, and keep scraping the sides of the kadai. The mawa and the khoya must go into the kheer. And there. Now pour it into a bowl. Slowly, slowly. Because the hot sheer korma or Seviyan Kheer can crack the bowl also. So slowly. Now, when done, add 2 tablespoons of freezing cold or chilled full tone or full fat milk and set aside to become even more creamier. Uncover after 2 hours and serve the thick, creamy, caramelized sheer korma or Seviyan or Seviyan Kheer to all.
So, friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.